Hi, and welcome to the Autoimmune Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Annie Rubin. I'm a dietitian and I run a private practice focused on people struggling with autoimmune and inflammatory disorders. I love to use food and lifestyle as a way to help people reduce their symptoms and get their lives back. So today we are talking about cleaning up those springtime routines. So springtime is a great time of the year to brush those winter cobwebs away and try some new routines to help get you ready for summer. Remember, healing an autoimmune disease is not always about food. It's how you live your life and what you surround yourself with. So today I'm giving you a couple new routines to help reduce inflammation and get you ready for summer. So before I jump in, I just need to attach my disclaimer that the information in today's talk is not the substitute for the diagnosis, treatment, or care of disease by a medical provider. This is for informational purposes only. So please consult your qualified health professional for any changes to your medical care. Okay, so let's talk about your morning routine. There's nothing worse than hearing your alarm go off and you don't feel quite rested. And usually when this happens, I think two things might be off. One is your sleep, which we'll talk about in a minute. And the other is probably your circadian rhythm balance. So your circadian rhythm is the master clock of your entire body, including all of your organ systems. It follows the light-dark cycle of the earth. So if you're not waking up when the sun is rising and falling asleep when it's dark, your rhythm may be off. And one of the best things you can do to get your rhythm back on track is to get sunlight on your eyes first thing in the morning. Also, morning time is your time. It's not for checking email. It's not for scrolling through Instagram, responding to text messages. It's your time. So to better manage your stress and to get ready for the day, use your morning time to get your mind and body ready for your day ahead. So if you're someone who likes to work out in the morning, awesome. Do that then. If not, maybe take a few minutes for a gratitude practice or meditation or whatever you do that helps you become more stress resilient. If you like saunas and cold plunges, this is a great time to do that too. Extreme hot and cold helps to increase your alertness and energize you for the day ahead. When the sun is up, step outside without sunglasses and get your face in the sun. If you work out outside, awesome, you'll kill two birds with one stone. If not, maybe have your morning hot beverage outdoors or walk your kids to the bus stop or to school. Just aim to get outdoors before 10 a.m. All right, my second routine that's perfect for springtime is your skincare routine. So spring is in the air and now would be a great time to freshen up your skincare routine. Skincare products are not all equal, and if you're not aware of this, the US barely regulates the ingredients used in personal care products, and many of them are full of harmful chemicals. These chemicals add to your toxic burden, and if you have an autoimmune disease, they can slow down your healing process or even stop you from getting better. So the first place to start with your skincare products is to compare what you have to the Environmental Working Group Healthy Living app. If you want a score of 2 or below on those products, and if you're not at seeing a 2 or below, maybe it's time to switch to a safer product. And now with spring and summer approaching, your skin won't likely be as dry as it is in the winter, so you may need to lighten up on your moisturizers. My favorite brand is Beautycounter. I'm also a brand advocate for them, but they are the cleanest brand out there that actually really performs well and has really big goals to protect our planet. Beautycounter bans over 2,800 ingredients from their products, which is twice what the EU bans. So in the notes below, I will put a shopping cart with my favorite spring products for you to check out. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. All right, last is your evening routine. So your evening routine is really the time to de-stress and get ready for sleep. It's just as important as your morning routine to help you really wind down for bedtime and get that quality of sleep that your body so desperately needs. Since it's getting darker later, my hack for keeping my circadian rhythm balanced is to wear blue light blocking glasses at night. This helps protect my melatonin production, and it allows me to watch my favorite TV shows while not hurting my sleep pattern. Also, try to go to bed earlier than you think you should. I personally aim for around 8.5 to 9 hours of time in bed, which usually equates to about 8-ish to 8.5 hours of sleep. And that's the amount of sleep that I need to feel rested and ready for the day. If you don't know how much sleep you need, try taking a sleep challenge. You want to pick 3 consecutive days, and sleep for as long as you can for those days. So you don't set an alarm, you go to bed, you wake up when you naturally wake up, and then you take the average of that time that you actually slept and make that your ongoing goal for actual sleep time. Other things you can do to help your body wind down include things like sleep meditations. You could do your hot and cold exposures at night. You could do a gratitude journal. Whatever it is, the key here with your nighttime routine is you want it to be something that you do consistently. So it doesn't have to be a lot of things, but you want it to be consistent because it's, again, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down. So today we focused on some new springtime routines that can help you get you ready for spring and summer. These will allow you to de-stress, to get your circadian rhythm back in balance, and to detoxify some of those harmful chemicals you might be exposed to. If you would like more help managing your autoimmune disease symptoms, I would love to chat with you. I offer free discovery calls to learn more about your goals and to see if we are a good fit for each other. So go to my website, annierubin.com. You can go to the contact page. You can book a discovery call there. I would love to chat with you. I also have tons of free material on my website, so you can check that out as well. And then also I put out a weekly newsletter that comes to your inbox every Thursday. More tips about how to live with an autoimmune disease and how to change your diet and focus on an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. So if that's of any interest, you can also go to my website and sign up for that. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked the information in today's video, please hit that little subscribe button. These come out about every week, and I love sharing all my knowledge about autoimmune disease and nutrition and lifestyle to help you live the life that you should live. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.